Welcome everybody. So I went out and got my iPhone 14 Pro, and the reason I got a new iPhone is this is what I've been using the past 3 years. Look at this thing. It's the iPhone 14 Pro. I got the iPhone 17 Pro. And here in the corner, that's like the thing that does focusing for cameras and stuff. That was messed up. And then the speaker hasn't been working good. So I said it's time. So here's my first impressions, and I'm gonna unbox this. I did see all the colors in person there today. The orange color. That doesn't look as ugly in person as that was the Pro Max. That's what I thought. Oh, this is the Air, huh? You know what? To me, this looks cheap. The back of it looks cheap. I like the sides. I mean, I don't care if it's thinner, whatever. 17 looks nice. This is a, what is that, purple?
Follow me this way. We do have a
You see all the colors. White 17. Oh, there's a silver. Pro Max. Oh yeah, that was, if I would have get the 17, this was the one I would get, the blue one. It wasn't too busy. But yeah, the 17 Air, or the iPhone Air, it looks cheap to me actually in person. I don't like it. And then the other colors look good. The orange is still ugly to me, but it's not as ugly in person as it looks in videos. And the iPhone 17's like that blue one. I saw the other colors. Those are the nice ones. I think those are the best looking ones. But I needed the Pro because I'm recording. Next week I'm gonna go to Disneyland and record 4K 60 frames per second. So my videos from now on are gonna be really smooth compared to 30 frames I would do. I got the blue one here. And let's open this bad boy. I've never gotten a new iPhone on launch day. And I always think these are like marginal upgrades, but if you haven't had one in years and you know something happens to your phone, then it makes sense to upgrade and get the new one. I gotta say, this blue looks really nice. This is looking real nice, I gotta say. And there's the charger. Yeah, you know, I originally wanted a white one, but they messed up when they sent me this, or no, maybe they didn't have the white one in stock when I first bought that one, and I was going on a trip to Disney World and I wanted to record. Wow, this thing. Let's take the screen thing off. Ooh, yeah. That's a beaut. See the side. I would like it like shiny. This is more like, you know, it's not shiny like you see how this, well, it's dirty right now, but actually this wasn't as shiny. Anyways, this is an upgrade for me. Been 3 years, and I think this looks really nice actually. It's supposed to be a little larger than, let me see, let me turn it on. The bezels, I think I also read like, you know, the bezels here is like supposed to be thinner, and I should get a nice upgrade on my camera. So yeah, I should have cleaned this, but anyways, yeah, so this is my first impression. So we're gonna use this recording the theme parks and everything. I'm really liking my first impressions of how this looks, and yeah. All right, well, thank you for joining me. I'll give my you know, as I'm recording my videos at Disneyland, Disney World, I'll give my impressions of what I think of the phone. Hopefully the stabilization is going to be better too. All right, thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.